Want to make everyday life at home feel easier and a little more exciting? These new and smart Amazon gadgets are designed to simplify routines, reduce clutter, and solve those small problems you deal with every day. From clever kitchen helpers to smart home upgrades, each one brings a little extra convenience to your space. All products are linked in the description below. Meet the ultimate home cleaning assistant, this ultra-thin robot vacuum and mop. At just over 3 inches tall, it glides under sofas and beds to reach hidden dust. Powerful 35,000 Pascal suction lifts dirt and hair effortlessly, while dual AI cameras detect obstacles and navigate your home smartly. The mop uses hot water and spinning pads to tackle tough messes. With self-emptying, self-refilling, and app control, cleaning has never been this hands-free or thorough. Transform any room with this RGB tree floor lamp. 3 rotatable heads let you direct light exactly where you need it, while adjustable color temperatures and 6 vibrant colors set the perfect mood. Use the touch controls or remote to dim, change colors, or switch effects without leaving your spot. Stepless dimming and multiple lighting modes create everything from cozy warmth to party vibes. Sleek, modern, and easy to install, it's a stylish upgrade for any space. Step into the future of home security with this palm vein recognition lock. Just hover your hand to unlock. No keys, no fingerprints, no hassle. It auto-locks when the door closes, and you can set guest codes safely with anti-peep technology. Dual batteries plus emergency USB charging ensure you're never locked out. Wi-Fi and voice control let you manage access from anywhere, making your front door smarter and more secure than ever. Turn your tub into a personal spa with this portable hydro bath. Dual jets create soothing bubbles or target specific muscles for a relaxing massage. You can switch between invigorating jets or a mix of bubbles and water for the perfect experience. Adjustable neck support and suction cups make it fit most tubs securely. With continuous water flow and easy controls, spa-level relaxation comes right to your home. Turn your notes, photos, and creative ideas into instant stickers with this pocket-sized printer. It connects via Bluetooth and prints without any ink, saving you time and hassle. The companion app lets you add filters, fonts, and themes to make every print unique. Compact and stylish, it slips right into your bag for home, travel, or school. Perfect for diaries, study notes, or fun DIY projects anywhere you go. Stay cool anywhere with this wearable bladeless neck fan. It sits comfortably around your neck while delivering powerful wind with 100 adjustable speeds. The LED display shows both speed and battery life, so you're always in control. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, it keeps you cool for hours without interruption. Lightweight, breathable, and hands-free, it's perfect for travel, workouts, or just beating the summer heat. Bring the big screen home with this triple laser 4K projector. It projects stunning visuals anywhere from 65 inches up to 200 inches with vivid colors and crystal clear detail. Dolby Vision and AI-powered color enhancement make every scene look lifelike, from movies to gaming. Optical zoom keeps your image sharp no matter the distance, while 1,300 lumens ensure brightness even in dim rooms. With built-in apps like Netflix, you're ready for a full home theater experience instantly. Meetings just got a major upgrade with this smart Bluetooth mouse. It records audio with a single click and turns it into text for instant meeting notes. The magnetic design lets you switch between a regular mouse and a presentation pointer in seconds. A built-in touchpad and laser pointer keep your presentation smooth and precise. Smart software lets you adjust settings, save recordings, and even transfer files to your phone effortlessly. Never run out of power on the go with this high-capacity laptop power bank. Its 24,000 mAh battery can keep your phone or tablet charged multiple times while traveling or working remotely. The smart display shows exactly how much power is left and how fast your devices are charging. With 140 watts rapid charging, even laptops get juiced up quickly. Compact, lightweight, and airplane safe, it's perfect for trips or everyday use. Beat the heat with this smart pedestal fan that cools your whole room in minutes. It oscillates both horizontally and vertically, sending fresh air up to 100 feet. You can control it with a remote, app, or even voice commands, adjusting speeds, modes, and timers effortlessly. 9 speeds and 6 modes keep you comfortable no matter the temperature. Ultra-quiet operation means you can work, sleep, or relax without distraction. Take control of your home's comfort with this smart thermostat. It learns your schedule and adjusts heating or cooling automatically, saving energy when you're away. You can change the temperature with a tap on the screen, the app, or even voice commands. Energy usage is tracked in real time, so you know exactly how much you're saving. Installation is simple, and it works with most HVAC systems and smart home devices. Tired of cats stealing each other's food? This smart feeder solves the problem with a collar sensor that only opens for the right cat. You can schedule personalized meals, track portions, and even manage special diets, all from your phone. The airtight container keeps kibble fresh for weeks, while the stainless steel bowl is easy to clean. Finally, mealtime is stress-free, and every cat gets exactly what they need. Turn any space into a mini concert with this transparent Bluetooth speaker. It pairs instantly with your phone or laptop, letting you stream music up to 100 feet away. LED lights dance to the beat, creating a fun and colorful show while you listen. The small yet powerful speaker delivers clear highs, deep bass, and full stereo sound. You can even link two together for a true left and right channel experience anywhere you go. Keep your furry friend safe no matter where they roam. This smart GPS tracker shows your dog's location in real time, updating every few seconds so you never miss a step. It also monitors heart and breathing rates, alerting you if anything seems off. Set up virtual fences and get instant notifications if your dog wanders too far. Lightweight, waterproof, and long-lasting. It's peace of mind you can attach right to your dog's collar. Tension and aches don't stand a chance with this handheld massage gun. Lightweight and easy to use, it delivers gentle percussive therapy that loosens tight muscles and eases stiffness. 3 attachments target different areas, from sore shoulders to tired calves, so you can customize relief wherever you need it. 3 adjustable speeds and an ergonomic handle make it simple to get a deep, soothing massage without straining your hands. Perfect for post-workout recovery or daily relaxation at home. Turn your shower into a smart spa experience. This digital controller lets you set water temperature with pinpoint accuracy for the perfect shower every time. Soft touch buttons control up to 4 outlets, while the sleek matte black design adds a bold, modern touch. Pair it with voice assistants or your phone to start, stop, or adjust settings without touching a thing. It even pauses water flow until you're ready, saving water while keeping comfort high. Your bathroom can be smarter than you think. This intelligent toilet opens and closes the lid automatically the moment you approach. A heated seat keeps things comfortable, while the built-in bidet provides warm water cleaning and even a gentle warm air dryer. The smart sensor chooses between a light or full flush, so you never have to touch a button. With a remote control and soft night light, everyday routines suddenly feel surprisingly high-tech. Cold hands can ruin any outdoor moment. These rechargeable hand warmers give you instant heat the second you turn them on. Their compact shape fits easily in your pocket or gloves, so you stay comfortable while walking, golfing, or watching a game. 3 heat levels let you choose the perfect warmth for the day. The magnetic design lets the 2 pieces snap together for storage or attach to metal surfaces when not in use. What if your next pet was actually a robot? This smart robotic dog reacts to your voice, recognizes faces, and even follows you around like a real puppy. A built-in camera lets it see the room and interact with objects, turning playtime into a lively experience. You can talk to it, give commands, or watch it chase toys and explore. When the battery runs low, it even returns to its dock to recharge all by itself. Music should feel like it's happening all around you. This powerful smart speaker fills the room with immersive sound that moves from wall to wall and even above you. With Dolby Atmos support, songs gain depth so you hear instruments and vocals in every direction. Just ask the built-in voice assistant to play music, check the news, or control smart devices. Connect with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or other audio sources, and enjoy rich sound from almost anything you play. Getting up from the floor shouldn't be a struggle. This electric lift gently raises you from the ground back to a seated position with the press of a button. The sturdy seat supports plenty of weight, while armrests and a safety belt keep you stable during the lift. A simple magnetic remote makes control easy for you or a caregiver. Quiet motors and smooth movement turn a difficult moment into a safe, comfortable transition. Not every humidifier just sits quietly on your desk. This playful submarine turns fresh air into a mini show you can actually enjoy watching. It releases a cool mist that keeps the air around you comfortable while you work, relax, or game. Built-in lights glow softly and even pulse with music, turning your desk into a tiny underwater scene. Add the interactive figurine and you unlock fun surprises, making this humidifier part decor, part stress relief toy. Big sound doesn't always need a big speaker. This compact smart speaker fills the room with rich 360-degree audio, so your music sounds clear no matter where you stand. Just say a command, and the built-in voice assistant can play songs, answer questions, or control smart home devices. It connects smoothly with your phone, tablet, or TV for a seamless experience. Small on your shelf, but surprisingly powerful in everyday use. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.